Hi everyone, I decided to print this item. It's wall decor and I print this with 3mm and it's maximum size for my printer. It's bigger than my palm, 19 and 19 centimeter, diameter is 19 centimeter, and I think it's perfect. You can see each side for plate it's printed like this, and this side too good. I like it, and you can see, yeah, a little lines, but it's okay. And this one, this side, yeah, that's okay. And if I will use this side, it will perfect for my house. So thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye.